Have you considered the strain you're putting on your body by sitting down all day? I know, work culture requires you to be at your desk on the computer, focusing on one task or many tasks at a time, but without a lot of movement. And over time, the impact it has on the body, strains on the neck, aches in the spine, the hips, it really has a long-term impact on your body and can cause ailments that impact you for the rest of your life. How can you transform that? Jumpstart your day with me. 15 minutes, standing yoga sequence. It's not high impact. You don't even need to change into yoga clothes. You don't even need a yoga mat. You can keep on your work clothes and we can just get moving together to transform your day, to nurture your body in the way that you deserve. And that is through movement. So push away from your desk, stand up with me, and let's get moving. Let's begin with our feet about hip width apart. However, if you're wearing anything that's restricting your movements, it's completely okay to stand with your feet close together. Allow your hands to drop by your sides, close your eyes, and let's connect with our breath. Just observe how you breathe naturally. It's the middle of your day, perhaps you're breathing shallow or you're breathing quickly. One of the beautiful gifts of yoga is our ability to observe our breath and to make the effort to breathe consciously. Breathing consciously, it is something that will transform your day, transform your decisions, and just transform how you feel in each and every interaction that you experience in your life. So let's breathe with intention now. Let's take 3 deep breaths to just connect and to allow the stress to melt away. Go ahead and take a deep inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale completely. And exhale. For the last time, inhale with a deep breath. Exhale with the mouth open and allow everything to melt away. Bring the palms together. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Let's go ahead and start with an inhale, taking the arms all the way up. Allow the palms to touch. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus the arms. Let the fingers be spread wide. Open the chest. Inhale, let the palms touch. Bring the hands to heart center. Keep going with this. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus the arms. Open the chest. Inhale, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart center once more. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the chest, and bring the palms together. Exhale, heart center. Inhale one last time. This time, interlace the fingers, allow the palms to face away from the bodies. Stretch up high, tall, lengthen the body. Now exhale to whichever side feels good to you. Do some side stretches. Engage the body in a linear way. Keep stretching, going as far as you can, engaging the core, feeling a stretch in the side and the abdominals and the back. One more time on each side. And come back to center. Now you're going to take the hands and interlace them behind your back. Now, if the flexibility isn't there, it's completely okay. You can grab a belt, a tie, or a scarf, anything that allows you to hold on and have a nice tight grip. And also with the intention to stretch the front body and open up the front body, because we tend to, in our lifestyles, be hunched and in this closed posture. So with this jump-starting yoga flow, we want to open the body and open up our shoulders, our chest, and allow our shoulder blades to squeeze together. And whatever you choose, have this intention of openness here. You're going to go for a forward fold, but first we're going to go for a halfway forward. So inhale, go for a back bend. Exhale, fold forward, and stay here at this halfway point. Breathe here. Try to keep your back nice and straight. And with intention or energetically, have your arms going towards the sky. Inhale. Come up. Go for a back bend. Exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here. Keep it strong. What we're going to do is bend the right knee and drop the right shoulder, going for a twist. And to the other side, bend the left knee, drop the left shoulder, go for a twist. Keep going. If you're feeling any tingling, any sensations, breathe through them. And come back to center and release. Allow the arms to drop. You can grasp your elbows. You can even bend the knee and start to sway slightly in ragdoll. Take your time. Release your elbows. Allow your arms to be heavy, the shoulders, the head heavy. And now take your time with the knees bent, the spine curled, and roll up. Allow the head to be the last thing to come up. Slide your shoulders back and down. Now we're going to do one of my favorite poses, which is pyramid. It's going to be a little bit closed, the stance, than it would be in a yoga class. However, it still has the same effect. So what you want to do is turn your left toe and your left foot out. And take the right foot and turn that foot about 45 degrees. And you want to hinge at the hips, so you want to close this posture off. And when I say close, you want the hips to be aligned and the hips to face in the direction that you are looking, which is to the left. So that left hip crease, cinch it back. You're going to take the arms all the way up. You're going to exhale, folding forward. You're going to stay at this halfway point and take the arms just behind you. Keep the arms active. Breathe here. If it feels good for you, you can exhale and fold a little bit more deeper over the thigh. Bend the knee. Inhale, come all the way up for the shortened stance of warrior one. Breathe here. Inhale, straighten the leg. And exhale, fold forward. Keeping the arms active, stay at this halfway point. Breathe here. If it feels good, fold a little deeper. Inhale, come all the way up. Straighten the arms. One more time, fold forward. Stay active. Go a little bit deeper if it feels good for you. Inhale, come all the way up. Stay here for 2, 3, 4. Let the palms touch and bring them to heart center. Let's come back to the center of the room. And let me clip my mic back on. We'll do this on the opposite side. So turn the right toes out to the right. Open up the foot. Take the left foot and make it about 45 degrees. Hinge that right hip crease, right on back, close off the posture. Make sure that the hips are as lined as is comfortable and that you're facing in the and that their hips are kind of in the direction that you're facing. Take the arms all the way up and exhale. Staying active in the arms, coming at this halfway position, glancing at your toe. And if it feels good, you can go a little bit deeper. Feel a nice stretch in the hamstring. Inhale, bend the front knee. Come up for warrior one. Breathe here. Straighten the front leg and do it once more. Keep breathing. A little deeper if it feels good. Bend the knee. Swing the arms all the way up. Straighten once more. A little deeper. Inhale, come all the way up. stay here for 2, 3, and 4. Bring the palms together, straighten the leg, and bring the hands to heart center. Let's come to the front. Now we're going to do another one of my favorite poses to do in the day to just really make my body feel like, oh, I'm awake. So we're going to do eagle arms with a little bit of a chair pose. I'll come into this kind of 45-degree angle so you can see. You can have your feet about hip width apart, or you can bring the feet together, whatever feels good for you. You want to take the arms out to shoulder height, and what you'll do is cross the right arm over the left and make this bind. You're binding the arms, you're binding the hands. If this is not accessible to you, again, that's okay. You can hug yourself. Just like this. Same energy, same intention. What you want to do, though, is feel the pulling of the shoulder blades, a nice stretch there, but you also want to kind of take the shoulders and rotate them back and down. This opens up the posture a little bit more, gives you a little bit more energy throughout the entire front and back body. When you're ready, you're going to bend at the knees, keeping the weight in the heels, engaging those transverse muscles. Let the tailbone point towards the floor. Keep breathing. Inhale, straighten and open up the arms. Cactus. Feel the relief. And do the other side. So this time the left arm over the right. Wait. It can be kind of confusing. And if this again isn't accessible, you can hug yourself. Go ahead and take those shoulders back and down. Open up. When you're ready, bend the knees. Again, weight in the heels. Engage those transverse muscles so that the tailbone can naturally point towards the floor. Let's challenge ourselves a little bit. Come up high on the right tippy toe. Exhale, bring it down. On the left tippy toe. Exhale, bring it down. One more time each side. Bring it down. And last time. Amazing. Inhale, open up, cactus the arms. Feels yummy. Let's come back to the center. Let the palms drop by the side. Let the feet root into the ground. Close your eyes. Feel yourself rooted, and then feel yourself growing. The roots growing through the feet, through the legs, through the hips, through the spine, through the shoulders. You're growing taller through the back of the neck and through the crown of the head. Strong, with intention, and ready to go into the rest of your day. Blink open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed. You deserve a midday jump start, and the best way to do that is through movement.